Jonathan and Steve are helping us today. Hey, guys.
Hi, how are you, Richard?
Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Now, these big old cast iron tubs, it's a hunk of cast iron with porcelain on the outside. People love them because it's a nice, deep bathing tub.
Exactly.
How are you going to bring this one back for us?
So the first thing we're going to do is we're removing the old hardware. Steven's in the process of taking it off.
Okay, the old faucet's gone.
Correct.
All right, so now what?
Then after that, you can see on the outside, there's a lot of loose and peeling paint.
Oh boy, I guess so. All
So
right.
we're going to have to remove all of that.
How do you do that?
That we do with the outside with a random orbital sander. The idea is to remove all of the existing paint.
All right, so how about the bathing well?
The inside, what we do is we wash it down with an acid solution, and that gives the existing porcelain a facelift. It's going to clean the porcelain as well as provide a tooth, a profile, for the new coatings to adhere to.
So it can really bond onto the new stuff.
That's right. That's correct.
All right, what about dings and stuff you're going to find out? Imperfections?
Any imperfections, the chips and nicks, we fill it with a polyester resin and then sand it smooth.
Sort of like a full spar treatment.
Exactly, for your tub.
All right.
That's right.
So we ready to start now?
We are, absolutely.
All right.
We're bringing the tub into our spray area to do the acid pretreatment. The reason we come in here is it's all explosion proof and good ventilation.
Good, get the fumes right out of here.
Exactly, very safe and so forth.
Perfect. All right, so acid is washed. That looks much cleaner.
That's right, Steven's washing out the tub, giving it a final wipe. And after that, we're going to give it a light sand, and then we're going to start to fill any of the chips and defects with our polyester resin.
Cool. One concern with reusing an old tub like this is lead. Older porcelain often contained it. Our homeowners have young children, so it's a potential worry for them. But if you're in love with an old tub like this, there is a solution. You can encapsulate the entire surface.
So right now, Steve is in the process of applying the bonding agent to the bathtub. The bonding agent is obviously a very critical step. It provides the adhesion for the primer coat and then the top coat. The top coat is unique. It comes from the marine industry. It's a very low VOC, high performance paint. Much improved and much better than the old enamel.
Sure, a perfect surface, great.
Yeah, very workable and provides longevity for the finish.
Well, look at that. It looks brand new. What a transformation. Now, how long can the homeowners expect to get this kind of finish to last?
Well, Richard, with proper use and care, we're hoping they'll get at least 10 years or more.
Cool. Well, thank you for your great work. Our homeowners are going to be thrilled.
You're welcome. Appreciate it.
Beautiful.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.